All right, it's your empire. You're welcome to X Empire chilling phase. All right, this phase got started just yesterday and it's going to run all the way into the second half of the month of October. X Empire, remember, the mining phase had ended already on the 30th of September. So while we are waiting for them to put things together and take snapshots, of course, they've taken snapshots already to now do the token generation event. Instead of allowing the app to stay idle up until then, because it's going to happen in the second half of the month of October, so decided to introduce the chilling phase. Now, this phase, in the first phase, which is the mining phase, they were going to distribute, in fact, 70% had been allocated for distribution to the community. Yeah. Now, in this phase, they decided to bring in extra 5%, so making it 75% now to the community. Okay, so what this phase is about is we just have to start the game all over. Everybody starts on a clean note. Now, what this means for you, just in case you didn't play in the mining phase, you can actually take part in this phase. Yes, you can take part. So if you're a beginner, if you are new to X Empire, you can check in the description of this video. You find a link and click on it and follow it to get started right now. And then follow this tutorial because this is a beginner's guide to the chilling phase, X Empire chilling phase. So it's a beginner's guide. So when you just come in, I'm already at level 8 between yesterday and today. So what you just do is start tapping. And of course your profit per tab or coin per tab should be around either +1 or 2 or +3 or whatever, because I know I built it from the scratch. So while you're tapping and building, you just go to improve. And when you go to improve, initially, as soon as you come in, what you have available will be the personal skills. Spot is the one they will tell you to improve first. So you just tap on it. I think you pay that 1,000 for 500 profit per hour or coin per hour. You just tap on it, so you build it up. So you keep on doing that until you qualify for mining. So the mining will show up. I think either two of them will show up. The mining, before the mining will show up, you have to upgrade. So you just keep on upgrade to level 2 as you keep on buying and improving your personal skills. Keep on improving your personal skills. Now, what this is showing you is that even in business and in life, focus on yourself. When you receive cash, don't be cash rich and asset poor. And your very first asset is yourself, your skills, all right, your inner skills. So when you receive cash, when you receive money, use it to invest in yourself, invest in your mind, invest in developing new skills, invest in developing future skills. There's something about the Chinese. When the Chinese came on board and they looked at it and saw that America, Europe, and others have gone ahead of them, all right, in the old technology, they were like, we can't compete with these people for the old technology. So what they did was to do a research and study and found out the technologies of the future. So when they found out, they went and focused on those technologies of the future and began to develop. And that's why today, China has overtaken almost all the tier 1 countries in terms of technology of the future, AI, where we are right now. So what you just need to do, use your money and look for the skills of the future and begin to build yourself. As you are building yourself up, which is what X Empire is teaching you, you get to a point when you can now begin to set up office, build a team. So all this will show up little by little. So if you open your own now, you may notice that office and team may not be showing. You may just only see personal and then later mining. And then from there, as you are growing in skill, you can now begin to set up your business. So from either level 3 or 4, then team will set up, office will come in, then from there, team. So, and I'm sure there's a level I get to, then AI will show up. So you keep on building and stacking it up. So you come to quests. So under quests, you have daily reward, and then there are tasks that will show up here. I've done them already since today. YouTube video you watch, you do reports of the day. Reports of the day, if you join my Telegram channel, I've already dropped the reports of the day and the riddle of the day for today. You'll find it there. The next other one too you can also find on my Telegram channel is the investment funds of the day, which is here. If you come to City, but for you to qualify for that, you must get to level 3. Okay, you must get to level 3 and you can qualify for that today. So if you come to level 3, for example, investment funds of the day, 1, real estate in Nigeria. So I will just drag it to the highest 700. Okay, so I grab that. And then this next one will be gold mining tools. Drag it. And then there you go. And then the third will be OnlyFans model. And that is it. This pretty girl. So you just get to do that. And so that is it. So there you have it. So I've done the investment funds of the day. So you just go to City Investments and you are here and you got it. So you can see that my balances have increased here now. So you can keep tapping now. Now, having done this, I will now come back to improve because I've got enough coins to, so that, because as you are buying these cards, you're also increasing your coin per hour, which is your profit per hour. So what I'm going to do now, I'm good. And as you are doing that, this is what will not be working for you in the background when you are offline. Okay, it will work for you up to 3 hours. So I now come to increase on my sleep, increase on brain. You need to also increase on discipline, critical thinking. I go down to empathy, ethics. There's also an aspect that will show up later on. Let me go back to City and quickly show you that. And that is negotiations. It's not yet showing up yet. So there's a level we'll get to, and they will bring that one in most likely. So let's continue. So now scroll down, and you need to start building your negotiation skill, your ethics skill, your leadership skill, and empathy skill, and all of that. So next is planning. These ones are active. So leadership, okay, control, and then communication. Who knows? I might still be doing this and then qualify for the next, for level 9. You get a still negotiations. I'm on entry level 6 now, or entry. I'm about to enter level 7 on negotiations. Once it completes, too many attempts. Take some rest for a few seconds. All right. So then tap this, tap this. So while we're working, it will come up. So now let me go to quests and show you the. Now, to show you the reports of the day, you can also find it in my Telegram channel, but let me tap here. You can see the reports of the day is arbitrage, and it will expire by 5 p.m. The new one for the next day will show up. Then the riddle of the day, I can show you to the riddle of the day is vesting, the process by which tokens or shares are gradually released to an individual over a set period, often used to incentivize long-term commitment. What is it? Vesting. So that's for riddle of the day. And then I've shown you the investment funds of the day. I've shown you the riddle of the day. I've shown you the rewards of the day. Then carry out all of these tasks. Okay, and invite your friends. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Then make a turn transaction. Now, it's not compulsory that you make a turn transaction, but they've said it. If you make a turn, if you donate, all right, they are going to reward those who donate handsomely. But you must make a turn transaction, because that one is one of the things that qualify you. Because let's quickly go down to airdrop here. Look at airdrop, so you know the qualifiers. Because if you are just joining, so here are this is the chill phase happening now. He said there is a competition between players for an additional airdrop. Join us. An airdrop is a distribution of token and all that. You can read all of that. So the main criteria: quantity and quality of invited friends, profit per hour, number of completed quests, additional criteria: connecting a Ton wallet, 1, transactions, purchases, and donations, Ton, Telegram Premium. Connect your wallet now, develop your character in the game, and invite friends. We will reward you. We will reward your efforts generously. So these are the criteria. So you can just go through them again and get on board. So go ahead and start tapping and playing. All right, so let me quickly exhaust the remaining 1 million coins here. If you qualify me for the next level 5, it's already at 81%, I mean 63% rather. Okay, so let's quickly finish that. So that's how you can actually participate in the chill phase or chilling phase for X Empire. All right, so that is it. 71% now. So I'm not sure I have enough to take it to the next level. So I have about 27,000 coins left now. All right, so go ahead and play the game X Empire chilling phase and get the most of it. Prepare for the airdrop and the announcements of the TGA. All right, if you got value here, go ahead and subscribe, like, and share the video, and let's see you in the next. Thank you, and God bless you.